Guruji. Me and my family got connected with Guruji in 2018. मेरी sister मुझे यहाँ लेके आई and I was like, मुझे किसी गुरुजी के यहाँ नहीं जाना. You know, like obviously I'm from a Sikh family. So she says, आज चल, लेकिन थोड़ी देर बैठ के लंगर खा के we'll leave. So I said, okay. And I just sat there and I looked at, you know, obviously Guruji's picture, and there was something there, like it was so mesmerizing. मेरे को लगा कि I have some connection with him. And then after hearing everybody saying that he's Mahashiv, I was like, okay, I have a connection with him when I was little. Because even though I was from a Sikh family, हमारे घर के opposite जब मैं इंडिया में थी, छोटी थी तब मैं वहाँ मंदिर होता था. तो I used to go with my friends and शिवजी की शिवलिंग पे हमने दूध चढ़ाना, and we used to do the chandan and everything. So I mean, I always was really connected to that mandir for some reason. And when I heard like Guruji's Mahashiv, I was like, okay, I had the connection with him from a long time. And after that, even though I'm like upstate New York, there was something there that just always drew me to come to Guruji's mandir. And I was always driving fast. Oh my gosh, jaldi jao, shuru na ho jaye Guruji ka satsang. So, I feel like Guruji has been always with us, and he's been blessing me and my family since we've been connected. So I have like 2 satsangs that I would like to share with you guys. So when the first experience is, I was going through a very, very tough time. Like that was the toughest time of my life. So I said, Guruji, please help me, show me a way. Which way should I go? So I had the dream that I'm actually in, daldal mein phasi hui hu, and I'm saying, mujhe bahar nikalo, mujhe bahar nikalo. It was like a very small kind of a daldal. So, and I'm saying in my dream, like, help me, help me. So there's nobody around to help me. And then all of a sudden I see, an older figure standing there. I do not know if it was Guruji, if it was Guru Nanak Dev Ji, who it was. So I said, please, can you help me? Mujhe bahar nikalo. So he said, main kyun nikalu? Apne aap bahar nikal. And I just put my arms on top and I came out. And next morning I said, oh my God, Sone ke pehle I asked Guruji, show me a way. And he's like, nahi, you have to decide what you have to do. And so that was my first experience with him. And then my second experience is, my brother is actually here today from Maryland. We are 4 sisters and 1 brother. So he had some business experience, and the corporate actually did a really, really huge, I don't even know if it was right, wrong, whatever, Guruji only knows. So they put a case on him and we had to go to court. So obviously having 1 brother, I was like, oh my gosh, hum log kya karenge? Like, ek bhai hamara, God forbid if something happens. And being a corporate company, they had big lawyers. So, I mean, every day we cried. I came to Guruji, I said, Guruji, jo bhi karoge. Like, I've never asked Guruji for anything. I always say, Guruji, jo aapki marzi. But just do it right. So we had a court date. So my brother says, no, you're going with me because I'm the baby of the house, of the family. And then he's older than me. So we're very, very close. So I came and I went to the court with him. And I just says, Guruji, aap bas saath jaoge hamare. And we sat in the car. And my brother and my dad were in the front seat. I was in the back seat. And I told both of them, and I said, look at the seat next to me. It had an indent in the seat. So I said, I don't know if it's my imagination or if it's Guruji's going with us, actually. So we go to court. They said, no, we have to take it to the bigger court. This is a big case. We cannot, do anything about it. Like our lawyer told us that. So my brother's like, there's no way it could be done, finished today. And he says, nahi, aaj nahi khatam ho sakta. Like we have to get, we have to go to a higher court. So all I said, Guruji, aap yahan pe ho, jo bhi ho, theek karna. We come back home, and within a week, the attorney called my brother, and he says the case is dismissed. So thank you so much, Guruji, for that. Shukrana, for Guruji, because we had never expected that was going to be done, like, in 1 week, it was going to be over. I can share so many more experiences that I have with Guruji, but, I don't want to take everybody's time. So, Jai Guruji.